Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a creepy old house. It was said to be haunted by the ghost of a young girl who had tragically died there many years ago. People would often hear strange noises coming from the house at night, and some claimed to have seen a shadowy figure lurking in the windows. One day, a curious group of friends decided to explore the house. They gathered their courage, and one Monday they entered the creaky front door. As all of them made their way through the dark and dusty rooms, they could feel a chilling presence surrounding them. Suddenly, they heard a blood curdling scream coming from upstairs. As they rushed up the stairs, while their hearts pounding with fear, they saw the ghostly figure of the young girl standing in the hallway. Her eyes, which was appeared to be filled with sadness and longing. The friends quickly realized that the girl's spirit was trapped in the house, unable to move on. So they decided to help her find peace. They gathered together and performed a ritual to release her soul from the house. As they completed the ritual, a bright light filled the hallway and the girl ghost disappeared. From that day on, the house was no longer haunted. The friend felt a sense of relief and closure, knowing that they had helped the girl find peace. They never forget the eerie adventure they had shared in that old house. Thank you.